Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin without delay. Rest at the closest site of grace to set your checkpoint, then mount to move quickly. You want to arrive at the region entrance and scan the landscape for ruins and towers. Those landmarks hide the item you need. Move on main roads and use high ground to spot ruins. Once you see a cluster of stones or a ruined tower, approach cautiously and prepare for enemies. This immediate push gets you to the first interaction that unlocks the map. Once at the landmark, slow down and sweep the area methodically. Check behind walls, under ledges, and inside collapsed buildings. You must clear enemies first because pickups can be blocked or guarded, then interact with the glowing object that is the map fragment. After you pick it up, make sure to rest at the nearest site of grace so the game registers the region map. This step is the core execution. Find, clear, collect, and then rest so the map becomes available. To finish, open your map in the menu and confirm roads, markers, and discovered sites appear. If the region stays blank, don't panic. Reload from the last site of grace or fast travel to another major grace and return. This often forces the map to populate. If that fails, make sure the game is updated and reload your save. Sometimes clearing cache or restarting the session resolves display glitches. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.